Hi guys, in this lecture I am going to teach you the step response of undamped second order system. Now we have to observe the step response of undamped second order system. So before going to the observation or analysis, we have to find the output response expression. Output is indicated by C of S, it is in Laplace domain, C of t is time domain. Okay, now what is the transfer function of second order system? The transfer function of second order system is omega n square divided by s square plus 2 zeta omega n s plus omega n square. This is the transfer function of second order system, right? Now here this is the undamped system. For undamped system, zeta is equal to 0. Now the transfer function becomes omega n square divided by s square plus omega n square. Okay, transfer function means output by input. Now what is the input? This is the step input, unit step input. For unit step input, input is r of t is equal to 1. Then we have to convert it into Laplace domain, that r of s is equal to, for 1 Laplace transformation is 1 by s. Okay. Finally output of the system C of s is equal to transfer function omega n square by s square plus omega n square into r of s. Into r of s means 1 by s. Finally this is the output response C of s, but we need C of t in time domain. So we have to apply the inverse Laplace transformation. Before going to apply the inverse Laplace transformation, we have to take the partial fractions of the system, right? So now to find the a value and b value, we have to assume if s is equal to 0, then what happens? If s is equal to 0, b term is 0. Now a is equal to omega n square gets cancelled. So finally a is equal to 1. Next one, if s is equal to j omega n, then omega n square is equal to a into j square. J square is the minus omega n square plus omega n square plus b into s. S value is the j into omega n. So this term is gets cancelled. Then finally b is equal to omega n square divided by j into omega n. Then that is equal to omega n cancel, minus j omega n is the final answer for b. But this is in complex form. We need to convert into s domain. So s is equal to j omega n. So for minus j omega n, this is equal to minus s. Minus s is the b value, 1 is the a value. Finally the output response C of s is equal to a by s. A is the 1 by s plus b by s square plus omega n square. B value is the minus s divided by s square plus omega n square. So దీన్ని కొంచెం నీట్గా రాసుకుంటే s by s square plus omega n square. So partial fractions తీసుకున్నాం. Now we can directly apply the inverse Laplace transformation. By applying the inverse Laplace transformation, then C of s gets into C of t. For 1 by s, Laplace inverse of 1 by s is the 1. Laplace inverse of s by s square plus omega n square is cos omega n t. So 1 minus cos omega n t is the final expression. This is the final expression, output response of the second order system when it is undamped system. So CFT is equal to 1 minus cos omega n t. Now we have to analyze the waveform of the system. This is the input waveform. R of t is the input with respect to time. Output waveform CFT with respect to time t. This is 0. So t is equal to 0, then cos 0. Cos 0 is the value 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 is the answer. So output response at time t is equal to 0, answer 0, CFT. If t is equal to 90, I mean omega nt value is 90, then cos 90 value is 0. Cos 90 0 means the final response is 1. CFT is 1. This is 1, this is 2. So the value is 1. When cos 180 value is minus 1. So 1 minus of minus 1 is the 2 value. So 1 plus 1 is 2. At 180 the answer is 2. Again at 270 the cos 270 is 0. So answer is 1. At 360 cos 360 value is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. సో ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా టైం వాల్యూ ఇలా తీసుకుంటే మనకు వచ్చిన వేవ్ ఫామ్ సో ఈ విధంగా వస్తుందండి. ఓకే, స్టిల్ ఇలా కంటిన్యూ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే వేవ్ ఫామ్స్ అనేవి వాల్యూస్ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తే వేవ్ ఫామ్ అనేది ఇలా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ప్రీవియస్ లెక్చర్లో ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్ చేసాం. అన్డాంప్డ్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది ఎప్పటికీ సెటిల్ అవ్వదు. ఓకే, మీ యూనిట్ వాల్యూ దగ్గర ఎప్పుడు సెటిల్ అవ్వదు, అదే వాల్యూకి పైన కిందన కూడా వేరీ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. అర్థమైందంటే సో రెస్పాన్స్ అనేది యాక్చువల్గా ఏదో ఒక టైం తర్వాత సిస్టమ్ అనేది మీకు స్టడీ స్టేట్ వాల్యూ రీచ్ అవ్వాలి. బట్ రీచ్ అవ్వకుండా అలా వేరీ అవుతూ ఉంటుందంటే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అన్డాంప్డ్ సిస్టమ్. క్లియర్? చూసారు కదా, ఇన్పుట్ స్టెప్ ఇన్పుట్ ఇస్తే అవుట్పుట్ అనేది అన్డాంప్డ్ సిస్టమ్ వేవ్ ఫామ్ వచ్చింది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద అనాలిసిస్ ఆఫ్ ద అన్డాంప్డ్ సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ సిస్టమ్. Okay, in the next lecture we will discuss about another system. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next class.